In this video, I will show you how to disassemble and repair the Cecotec steam generator. This Cecotec steam generator, which is highly efficient and reliable, has the Smartforce 2000 model. It's a good steam generator, but it stopped working some time ago. The steam generator was packed in this kind of box. It comes with an instruction manual in English and a measuring cup for water. First, you need to pour water into the steam generator's tank using the measuring cup. I use bottled purified water. You only need a little bit here, about 150 grams. Next, we remove the lower tank of the steam generator. It just unclips by pulling it towards you. Then we remove the top rubber cover and pour water in up to the max mark. Here, under the sticker, there are marks for minimum and maximum. So for now, I will fill it up to the minimum mark to check the device. After that, we close the silicone cover back in place and put the container onto the device. We carefully connect the steam generator to the electrical power supply, ensuring a secure and stable connection. Gently press the power touch sensitive button for 2 seconds. The power button has started blinking. While carefully observing the indicator light, we wait until it lights up with a steady glow. The power indicator has lit up with a steady light. We carefully select the steam or delicate steam mode. We press the start button and nothing happens. No steam is coming out. Let's disassemble the device and find out what the problem is. We remove the water container. Most likely, the pump in this steam generator isn't working, which is located in the lower section since the heating element is hot. We need to look for the reason for the water supply. To disassemble the device, you need to unscrew one screw at the bottom under the water tank and 2 screws from the bottom under the main steam generator. After that, we remove the top part. It is secured around the perimeter with clips. I'll take a flat screwdriver for convenience. Let's start unclipping them, trying not to break anything. The steam generator device is quite simple. At the top is the evaporator, the heating element, and a tube that supplies water to the evaporator, which is pumped by this pump. Very often, the problem with water supply lies in this pump. It is very sensitive, so it's important to check its operation and cleanliness. It comes out very easily. Here are 2 connection terminals for 2 and 20 volts. So, you can check it by simply applying voltage to it. Using a tester, I will first check for voltage on this pump. We turn on the steamer and check if there is voltage. To do this, we need to ensure that the tester is properly calibrated and functioning correctly. Once the steamer is turned on, observe the tester's readings carefully to confirm the presence of voltage. This process is crucial to ensure the pump is operating as expected and to prevent any potential issues. When the start button is pressed, the pump receives a voltage of 58 volts, which is very low, so it doesn't work. Let's remove the control board. The problem might be with it. The issue could potentially lie within the device itself. To access the control board, it is necessary to remove the bottom part of the steamer. To do this, we remove the rubber stand supports and unscrew the screws that are located underneath them. We push the control board down, and it comes out of its connector, which is a crucial part of the system. Upon thoroughly checking the various components of the power board of the steam generator, it was discovered that this particular relay, which plays a critical role in the operation by being responsible for turning the small water pump on and off, is unfortunately faulty. I have already bought a similar new relay. Let's check with the tester what the readings are on it and on the new relay. The new relay has similar specifications from a slightly different brand, rated for 16 amps and 250 volts. If you take a closer look and carefully check the electrical contacts on the relay windings, you will be able to observe the resistance present there. In my specific case, the resistance measured on the coil is precisely 0.4 ohms, which is quite low. If we proceed to check the same set of contacts on the old relay that is soldered directly onto the circuit board, it shows a complete break in the circuit. This indicates that there is no continuity. Therefore, it can be concluded that the coil on the relay has unfortunately burned out, rendering it non-functional. I will desolder the relay using a soldering iron. I desoldered this relay, and you can see that one of its contacts is not used. So, we won't connect this contact, and we'll solder all the other connectors. One contact on the relay I'll just bend inward for now, and we'll start soldering. It's slightly larger, but it will fit on the board. I'll just bend one contact on the relay inward, and we'll start soldering. With the relay soldered, we can assemble the steam generator. It's slightly larger, but it will fit on the board. Here the relay is soldered in, and after this we can start assembling the entire steam generator. We connect the power board to the control board and take apart the casing. We install the locks. And we securely install rubber grommets on the lower bolts and ensure they are tight. After that, we'll subsequently and securely connect the water container back in place, and then carefully observe the functionality of the entire steam generation system and check how the steam generator works. Steam settings, please. This is the gentle steaming mode, which is designed for delicate foods. And this is the enhanced steaming mode, providing a more intense steam. After that, we can experiment with the steamer on a wrinkled bathrobe and see the results. Here are the copper wrinkles on the sleeve. Let's try to treat them with the steamer. After using the steamer, it is noticeably clear that there are significantly fewer dents, splashes. Not perfect, as expected of course. The iron does a significantly much better job of smoothing out all of the wrinkles, and effectively. But if you're just short on time, then it's quite suitable for a quick refreshing all kinds of fabric and different types of materials. So the reason my steamer broke down and wasn't producing steam was a faulty relay on the power board, which controls all the main processes, and there was also a bit of clogging in the small pump that pumps the water. So pay attention to these two main components if you experience a similar issue.